Myself Ms. Sejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Pravin Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My subject is utilization of electrical energy, in which this practical is the practical number 4. Learning outcomes. At the end of this video, you will learn about practical number 4, which is identify the different components required for various types of heating furnaces. So first one is practical significance. So this practical will enable the student to identify the different components of a heating furnace, which in future will help him to work efficiently in furnace related industry. Second is relevant program outcomes, that is POs. So first POs is PO4, engineering tools, applied relevant electrical technologies and tools with the understanding of the limitations. PO5 is the engineer and society, assess societal health, safety, legal and cultural issues and the consequent responsibilities relevant to practice in the field of electrical engineering. PO6 is environment and sustainability. Apply electrical engineering solutions also for sustainable development practices in societal and environmental context. PO7 is ethics. Apply ethical principles for commitment to professional ethics, responsibilities and norms of the practice also in the field of electrical engineering. PO8 is individual and teamwork. Function effectively as a leader and team member in diverse multidisciplinary teams. Third one is competency and skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency. Maintain different types of electrical utilities and systems. First is identify the type of heating furnace, identify different components of heating furnace, know the function of above components and follow safe practices. Fourth one is relevant course outcomes, maintain different electric heating and welding equipment. Fifth is practical learning outcomes. So practical learning outcome for this practical is identify different types of furnace and its components. Next is minimum theoretical background. A furnace is essentially a thermal enclosure and is employed to process raw materials at high temperature both in solid and liquid state. Several industries like iron and steel making, non-ferrous metal production, ceramic processing, cement manufacturing, etc. employ furnaces. Based on the basic principle of operation, there are different types of furnace like resistance furnace, arc furnace, induction furnace. Principal components of furnace are a source of energy, suitable refractory material, heat exchanger, instrumentation and control. Next is setup. So for figure 1, electric arc furnace. So you can see the image of electric arc furnace. And next image is Ajax Watt furnace. And next is resistance furnace. So resources required for these practicals are desktop or laptop with internet connection or a standard reference book. Quantities 2 to 3 websites or books. And second is Learn and Grow educational series, which is a YouTube channel. Next is precautions to be followed. To refer the authenticated website only and interpret the images carefully. So procedure for these practicals is first is search information and images of various electric furnaces showing all the components, that is minimum 3. Second is prepare a report comprising of different components along with their functions of various electric furnaces, which is also minimum 3. So in this practical you have to write down this observation table in which we have to write type of furnace, name of the components and function of the components. So first is electric arc furnace. For this, name of the components are electrodes and function is the arc forms between the charged material and the electrode. Next is the roof. The roof also support the refractory delta in its center through which one or more graphite electrodes enter. Second is Ajax Watt furnace. Name of the components for this furnace are vertical crucible and function is which is used as a channel of charge. Second component is primary coil. Function is a very varying strong electromagnetic field is produced in the laminated core. Third component is the molten metal, and the function is act as a shorted secondary. Next type of furnace is resistance furnace. Name of the components for these furnaces are heating chamber, function is where is placed the charge. Second is refractory walls, the function is for reducing heat losses. And third component is heating elements, and function of this component is usually supported on the walls or additionally placed on the floor. And next you have to write result and conclusion in your manual. Thank you.